Hey beauties! Today I decided to do a get ready with me, and this is the look and the outfit. You'll see that coming up. Matter of fact, I did a try on, dressing room try on with some of these pieces, so that video will be coming soon. But I hope you enjoy this get ready with me. It's not going to be a lot of makeup because I'm not a makeup person, but you will get the outfit. So stay tuned. Okay, down to this makeup thing. I don't really do makeup. Well, I don't do makeup. I'm actually a person who does hair. But I kind of know how to make my face look like something. I'm not going to show y'all so much of everything what I'm going to do, because most get ready with me, at least in my case, I want to see, I want to see the makeup, but I don't want to see every single step. But some people do. I just want to get down to the outfit. So that's my goal. We're about to get down to this outfit. Okay, here's the outfit. It's just gonna be the shirt that I got in a size. This is a size large. Oh, come on, focus. A size large. There you go. And I got this at Ross for $5.99 on clearance. I got these skinny mid-rise ankle jeans. I think it's by the brand Encore. Yes. And this is a size 18 jeans, so that's the size I wear. And I have these from Ross. I've been picking up all kind of little shoes from Ross. I mean, not Ross, City Trends. I've been picking up all kind of little shoes from City Trends. And I want a duster, but I might go with my trusty dusty little black and white one. I couldn't find a black one because I really want a black one, but this one will pull it all together. That's the one I always go to, my little go-to. I wear it with everything. So let me put on an outfit, okay? All right, here's the finished look. I did grab my trusty dusty kimono and put it on because it's look cool outside. It's not very cold, but it's not hot either. Anyways, it just give you a little add of something to it. I always find these, but I wanted a black one. I can't find a black one. And for these jeans that I got from Ross, they're okay. They actually, matter of fact, let me show you. They actually like smushes in my behind. So I used to have a pair of jeans where I used to always shop at Burlington. They don't have Burlington around here anymore. But I used to, I think the brand is YMI, I'm not certain. But there's a brand that says want a butt, so I guess to give people a butt who don't have any. But it used to give me give in my behind area, and everything else fit like jeans and not like jeggings. But I'll show you what they actually look like. And yeah, these are not all the way down. These are just the ankles. And this is the front. And I can't believe I'm fitting in a large shirt, but I am. So this is it, I guess. This choker, y'all should know this choker is from Walmart, and I gotta go throw on my watch because I'm just gonna put on my watch. And if y'all want to see vlogs, it's probably gonna be too late by the time you comment up in this one. But if you do want to see vlog styles when I do a get ready with me, just let me know in the comment section below, so I can give you a little bit of taste of what we're doing. I know we're getting ready to go on vacation, so of course I probably will show y'all a little smidget here, smidget there, what we're doing on vacation. But yeah, this is the finished look. I got my little shoes from City Trends, which I'm starting to kind of like their little shoe section because they're cheap. And like I told y'all, I have a pair of shoes that last me 2.5 years. Sorry, that's my dog. 2.5 years so far. So far so good. Knock on wood though. But this is what I have going on. And I'm so sorry y'all if y'all hear my dog, but I'm basically running out the door, so I can't do this over again. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, my beauties, I want everyone to stay blessed. Bye, y'all.